This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by John and Sandra James. Professionally designed, custom renovated 3-bedroom with den, 2-bath home. This home features new tile in main living areas and owner suite. Gourmet kitchen features frameless solid wood custom cabinets with soft closed doors and drawers. Beautiful quartz countertops with oversized island with waterfall edges. GE Cafe Series stainless steel appliance package, timeless glass backsplash, and custom hood modernize the kitchen. The master bath has been completely reimagined and remodeled to maximize the space with inviting rain shower and multiple shower heads, glass tile, and luxurious separate soaking tub. Owner's suite closets have motion sensor lighting and custom organization system. Garage has a split air conditioning system and a lift for a third car. Whole house water filtration system, owned, not leased, and instant whole house, hot water circulating pump. Extended lanai overlooks the prestigious Classics golf course through picture frame screening. Home has newer roof and AC system. Don't miss out on this meticulously maintained home. For more information, review the details below or contact John and Sandra James at 239-784-7000.